morning this morning. It's quite nice. Not hot, not cold. Take the motorbike today. Alright. Off down the farm. Morning, ladies. How are we doing? And they're off. The race is on. So while we're getting this paddock and go check the drains now. And we're going to wind up a reel. So we'll check the drains. Cows look like they did a good job of this paddock. Wound up our reel. Oh, thank you all very much. That's all we hit. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Wow. Wow. Thank you very much, everybody. Never expected to hit 1,000. Far out. Ecstatic when we hit 500. Jeepers. Hey, Dad. How we doing?
Good.
1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, someone must like and subscribe to you.
Oh, yeah. Very thankful. Oh, we'll keep milking. I better get to my job. Oh, put a weight on that one. Yep. Weight at the back and then it switches to the front. It's quite a slow milker. Alright, well, we'll keep milking. Woohoo! How do you know two cows do not like each other? There's a lot of space between them. 29, poor little one. She does not like 201, and 201 is a bully. She's 201, the bully. So they've been coming in that well. Look. We only had about 2 rows left. Dad's only just pushed them up now. Oh, come on, girls, up we go. Come on. Yeah, they're all full and happy. Good girls. Yummy meal, little calvie. Go feed the second mob of calves. Take a bag of meal. We're going to go feed out a bale of silage this morning. Ah, you should. Always check for birds' nests and leave the bonnets up. No birds' nests. That's good. They decided to come out on them, so I had to come down and help them. Follow the cafeteria. The cafeteria. Over there. A bale of silage. Let's go feed some cows. Good little Massey. Good little Massey.
Morning. Yeah, feeding time at the zoo. Have a good one.
Yeah, best paddock we've got at the moment. The next 2 pallets. Getting it on, the happy little calfies. Yummy. Good slickies. We're off. Let's go get some fur. Run over the bridge. Ow. Off to the fur works. Right there. Looks like he just got a truckload of phosphate in this morning. Or phosphorus. That's us all loaded up. Let's head back to the farm. Okay, the first paddock's done. Good chunk out of the load already. Jeepers. Amazing how much it goes on at with at 525 kgs per hectare. Doesn't take long to empty a load. We'll go back down this way. as Dad said, I did bugger up the other day. I was too close together, so it's got a little bit further apart today. I was doing 10-metre centres. He said, you might as well be spreading lime. So I've gone with 15s now. He said, try that. The load is going down quite well. Get the balls from this paddock here into that paddock there, and then tomorrow I'm going to take the bulls from in this paddock right up the front. They're going to go in front of the cow shed. They're growing really well. They'd be bigger than most of the cows at the moment, so it shows you how quick those little fellas can grow. Fast growing bulls. Alright, let's get to spreading this paddock now. Bit bumpy at the back of this paddock. Alright, there we go. This way. Go to the next paddock here and backed her up because as you can see we started to cut up a bit. Gets quite wet through this area. As you can see, it's quite damp, quite dark in the soil. Well, there's no way the tractor would have made it through here. Or just there. I have been stuck a few times in this area because there's a lot of little artesian, look how soft it is on the foot. There are some artesian wells or springs under here. So look, I even got a bit too close over here. Start to sink. I pulled out just in time. Let me show you something. Old Totra post. Probably put in yonks ago. Still standing straight as. Same with this one, an old post. It's a bit hollowed out at the moment. Still solid as too. Shows you. This old posts know how to last. That's a newer post. I remember putting that one in, or Dad did. And I just helped him do the fence. Cool, right, we'll carry on. Bull holes. That's why we're not allowed to put the bulls on the stock bank. They like to dig massive holes. As you can see though, getting a good spread. Getting all our minerals on properly. Okay. Oh, we'll keep going. There's a couple more paddocks to go with this load by the look of it. We're off to go get another load. Let's go. That's another 4 ton. Woohoo! Yeah, so we did quite well. We did about 8 or 9 paddocks, which roughly equates to about 18 hectares today. So that was good. Done well. Well, we'll carry on and let's go wash her up. Yeah, she's all washed up, clean as. Clean as could possibly be with high pressure. Well, calling a day there. I'll see you all at milking tonight. Time for breakfast. Afternoon, Dash is going to go get the cows in. And we're setting up the cow shed. Ready to go. He made a good point. He said, why don't you go sit while you wait? Go load up with a bale, so I'll go load up with a bale of silage. Oh, we're ready to go. Girls are just starting to come up now. Got our bale of silage on, our little Fergie. All ready to go, okay? They're coming, 2 bales left there. Another 8 there, so should last us a little while. Okay, well, let's go and get ready. Cows are coming. vacuum cleaner up there. Yum, 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 yum. Here we got our mating girls here. There is 11 today. Gordon, how are we doing?
Going well.
Oh, well,
I was
that's all
going
right.
very well before I came here tonight.
Yep.
No, it's upset me.
Oh, look at that. You dropped all your little...
I dropped all my wipes.
All your wives. Hey, Dad. Get the helper. Hey, Caitlin. Caitlin. Hello. And she's doing Dad's job, holding the straws.
The seaman, please.
The seaman. The seaman. That's the way. What's Dad doing?
Nothing.
It's another success one. There's another girl there, Gordon.
It's twins.
Twins. Twin girls. That's all right.
Like and subscribe and she'll see you in the morning.
See, thank you, Gordon.
Oh.
Awesome.
See you, thank you.
See you, Gordon. See you, Caitlin. Well, Dad's going to finish washing up, and I'm going to put the wash through. Cows have got their 2 bales of silage. They're going to enjoy that. Oh. There you go. That's us for today. We'll see you all in the morning.